So this is just a closer look at the joint. It has opposite profiles routed into it. So when they come together, so that'll get glued in and then form up tight. So that allows you to have this profile, decorative profile along the edge and have the joint still work. The bits that I had were for a maximum stock of 7/8 of an inch. My stock is 1.25 inches. So what I ended up doing was just trimming this back with a table saw, and I went ahead and trimmed back here a little bit more, and the same thing with this piece here. That way this piece is going to be as tight as I can make it, and nothing should really be, I didn't want this or this holding it up. So this is going to go into a house with some very old doors that are about 120 years old, and so I am building it in the same way that the doors were. The interesting thing is you have this big channel here, and I went digging through some of my books, and we were trying to figure out what this was when we cut through it, and it looks like what they did is they put in a big dowel in a blind hole to offer more glue surface. So I will be doing that, but I'm going to do that at the end when this is ready to be put together. I got a lot more work on it that I don't want to have this put together quite yet. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is where I'm going to call it for today's video. No assembly work right now. I am going to finish all of my panels first before I do the glue up. That way, if there's any expansion or contraction of those panels over the year, you won't see any bare wood. So off screen in the background, I have been working on some test finishes. This is what I'm trying to match. It's getting closer. It needs to be a little more brown and a little more yellow added to it. Also, in the description box below, I have left a link to my store where you'll find handmade tools as well as some plans. So again, thank you so much for following along, and I'll see you on the next one.